morning everyone. Another day, another sunrise on my back. Probably it will be the Bali dive site spot number 4. It's not the last one because I still have to review other regions around the Bali, like for example Minjangan, and I have to review also Chandidasa. I don't want to review anything from Sanur because that you can check from the dive centers which are on the south. As I said in the morning, I would like to talk about Gili Selang area. It will be last episode about Tulamben Amed dive site area. Mainly we are diving there at 2 dive sites. Actually there are 3 dive sites, but Selang is for me it's like one area. You just dive from one or another side depending on the currents. Don't get confused, Gili means small island, so that's why there are Gili Islands, Gili, Travangan, Mano and Air, because that's the small islands. And Gili Selang is also a small island. Like for example Gili Tepekong, it's also Gili. Big island in Indonesian is called Nusa. So that's why it's Nusa Penida, because it's a big island. If you would ask me to describe this area in few words, I would like to say strong currents, beautiful reefs. But it was one of my favorite places until 2018. And then in 2018 there was a really strong storm somewhere in the Pacific Ocean and we got a really big waves. I even went to the beach to the Sanur to see all these big waves and it damaged all the Gili Selang area. It was super beautiful place, all these big rocks, and on these rocks growed soft corals, beautiful different colors, all the colors of the rainbow. And when these big waves came, then they washed all the corals off. And then finally when I was diving in the beginning of 2019, all the rocks was just, there was nothing on these rocks growing anymore. Slowly started to discover, but the most beautiful in that place was this shallow pot. It's beautiful also down there, but because of the strong currents and because of the really strong down currents, I don't really dare to go too deep in that place. Maybe I don't know enough about the currents. There are another guys who knows the way better that place. Hello to Nico and hello to Holger, because those guys been diving there so many times. They definitely know better about currents in that place. All this was filmed in March of 2020. It was last year. Since then I never been there. I've been once in a Golden Rock, but that's it. I think that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe. A little bit more about this particular place, there is a separate video which you can find in the description. And see you tomorrow again. Bye.